Welcome back to another daily bias price prediction markup. We have a new week, new opportunity. Today is Monday, September 9th. In the news today, we do not have anything. Tuesday, tomorrow, there's also nothing in the news. Wednesday, we have CPI to look forward to. Thursday, we have PPI, and Friday, there is nothing in the news. So the majority of the high probability trades will be taken right after CPI releases. Anything before then will be lower probability. Doesn't mean we can't take a trade, just means we have to be a little bit more cautious. All right, so let's start on the weekly chart since it is the top of the week on DXY. All right, so it looks like we got the move internal. Next, so we have a bearish bias looking for external range liquidity. So we are bearish on the week. On the daily, what does it look like? All right, so it looks like the last level price engaged would be this bearish fair value gap, internal range liquidity. Looks like it closed aggressively or strongly above that level. So for today on the daily bias, we're looking for this level, this external level right there. So we are bullish on the daily. Bear with me, let me screenshot this. All right, CL on the weekly chart. We are below external range liquidity. This level, this is the most recent. So then we'd be looking for internal. All right, so the untapped internal range would be this level right here. All right, so on the weekly chart, we're looking bullish. The daily chart, see what it says. We are below external. Yep, you go external, you look for internal, so we are bullish on the daily as well. All right, let's remove this. Try to be as objective as possible to price. I just read what price tells me. If you're external, you're going internal. If you're internal, you're going external. Has to be that simple. You don't have to get the bias correct to be profitable. All right, let's see what ES is saying. On the weekly, All right, so the most recent engaged level would be this bullish fair value gap. We have shot past the consequent encroachment, which would tell me it's a possibility it's going to be going lower, but we are still inside this level. So until otherwise, until invalidation has been proven, we are bullish. Bullish ES on the weekly. See if the daily says the same, tells the same story. We are. The most recent level engaged would be this external range liquidity low. Looks like we're inside a bullish fair value gap as well. So external back to internal. We are bullish. Bullish ES. All right, over to NQ. On the weekly, most recent level engaged did not tap into this level here. We overshot this level here. On the weekly, we've reached invalidation of this bullish fair value gap. So I would seek lower prices. This week, the weekly NQ and the weekly ES are not aligned, so I definitely would be overly cautious, especially long term on the weekly. All right, so yes, bearish on the week. See what the daily says. We overshot this bullish fair value gap. The last engaged level, we are below this swing. Make sure it's a swing. The low 18.82575, 18.8. Yes, so this is a swing right here. We're below a swing. You're below a swing low. You look for internal. Should be higher prices, but then you also overshoot this level, close below it strongly, signifying lower prices to me. Looks like today we're opening up a little higher. Let's go down to the 1 hour to see if we got that change in the state of delivery with displacement. So yes, you do. Right here. Change in the state of delivery. With displacement. This would tell me there's higher prices. Did it take out an important level? Let's just double check this. It's not at an important level. There is somewhat of a volume imbalance. We really don't take that into consideration. I'm a little unclear. I'm a little unclear on bias. Being an objective, it looks bearish on the daily, but if you drop down to the hourly, you do see the change in the state of delivery with displacement, so that would signify higher prices. There is low resistance liquidity right up here. If you're below a swing low, you're looking for internal. You have to deal with the most recent information. So if I'm being objective, wouldn't even take this into consideration right now. You're below a swing, you're looking for higher prices, you got the change of state of delivery. With that being said, I am bullish. Let me take a screenshot. Yeah, I'm trying to be as objective as possible. Basically, this is going to be bullish until proven otherwise. So I believe I said I was... So if you're bullish dollar, yeah, bullish dollar on the daily, you should be bearish, but price is just not aligned. I'd be overly cautious today. I'm not looking to get into any trades, to be honest. All right, let me take a quick screenshot. All right, so quick recap. Looks like I'm bullish NQ, gonna be cautious. Looks like I'm also bullish ES, CL. Daily I'm bullish, and DXY bullish. Bullish on all four assets. All right, that's all I have for today. See you tomorrow.